Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Today we will be learning how we can install a theme on WordPress and how we can create new pages on WordPress to start developing on it. So first of all, we are in the dashboard of our WordPress website. You have to hover on themes, hover on appearance, and then click on themes. Now secondly, here you will find two to three themes or four themes previously installed, which are the basic WordPress themes. So usually the best one of the best themes if to install if you want to build your store and if you want to make it from scratch. So the basic theme to install it is Astra, which is trusted by many WordPress users. So first of all, click on install, and then you have to click on activate it. Now the WordPress theme is installed, and here you can see Astra is showing in the dashboard. So let's check our website. It is simple. Now we will install a theme which is Elementor, which is a page builder to so go hover on plugins, click on add plugin. Yeah, so we are installing Elementor to build our website in a custom way. For example, if we have a design, Figma design or Adobe Photoshop design, so and we have to create it from the scratch using a page builder. So one of the best page builder is Elementor. Here search for Elementor. We'll install the main Elementor. By Elementor, click on install and then click on activate like this. Now the plugin has been installed. So now we will create pages. So on the left sidebar you can see the pages. Click on all pages and then click on add page. So first of all, we'll create the home page and then I'll show you how you can edit that page with Elementor. In add title, write home, or you can write home page, wherever. Now click on publish again. Our page is live now. And to edit it with Elementor page builder, we have to click on edit with Elementor here from here. Because previously it would be working with WordPress editor, which was the older version. It takes a few minutes, so I'll put it on, I'll speed up the video here. So we are in the Elementor editor. Just cross this notification, and from here you can simply create your home page. In the next video, I'll show you how you can create a custom header for your website, and that's it. Here you can drag container here, and then in the same container, add other containers, and here with your choice, click on add element on the top, and then add heading. You can add text here, you can add an image here, whatever you need. So this is how you can simply build a custom website, and you can install a theme, which is preferable to install Astra, and then you create pages here. So this is how you can create pages as much as you want. And after creating the page, Click on, after completing the editing here, click on publish button so that it will be saved. And that's it. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comment below. Have a great day. Bye bye. Do like and subscribe for more videos like this.